All right, we're back. Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. How was your Tuesday? I'm feeling great. I'm getting better, guys, so don't worry about me. It only hurts a little bit when I walk, but I took Link for a walk today and I walked a lot at work and I'm getting some good exercise, so that's good. So let's just jump right in because I need to take a shower. I want to play a game of Overwatch with my friend Josh, and I'm uploading a video currently for tomorrow. So let's get in, shall we? Okay, so this morning for breakfast, today was a weird day. Not sure what's going on. Actually, Melanie from Princess Keto Ninja, she suggested something good. She said certain medicines can cause a little bit of weight gain. I jumped up on the scale, let me tell you. So I was 249 on Sunday, and Monday morning I jumped up, and today, this morning as well, Tuesday, I jumped up to 253. I mean, I didn't have a bad day yesterday. So she also mentioned something about when your muscles are pulled and they're sore, they can retain fluid. So it's also that time of the month for me. I'm having some soreness, and sorry men, but yes, I am a female. I have a reproductive system. It happens. So I think I'm kind of holding on to some fluids, and that's what's causing the increase in the weight. We'll see. Maybe, hopefully tomorrow will be down. I have been getting more sleep as well, so we'll see. So that's what my weigh-in was this morning, 253.2 I think it was. I was shook and didn't like it, and what can I do but keep trying? So anyways, I had my regular bulletproof coffee as always, 1 tablespoon of MCT oil, 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons of my Torani sugar-free hazelnut syrup. Then not only, usually that's all I have, I really wanted my apple pie protein bar by Quest, which in its own is 6 net carbs. I thought, well, I'll just eat half of it. Oh no, I ate the entire thing. Not only that, I decided I wanted a sausage egg McMuffin with no muffin from McDonald's. So I had that as well. So my breakfast was 10 carbs when usually it is 1 with just my coffee. Lunch, I had half of an avocado. I had 6 slices of salami by Oscar Mayer, and then I had a slice of the hot pepper jack cheese by Delalo. I don't know how to say that. Then for dinner, which will be coming in another video, so I'm not showing any images of this. I want to keep it a surprise. You know how people say crack chicken, where you use the ranch dressing, whatever. I made a crack chicken soup on accident. Nevertheless, it was delicious. Everybody loved it. I will definitely be making it on accident more often. But that consisted of cream cheese, cheddar cheese, some chicken broth. Was it stock? It was chicken stock and chicken breast. That was a total of, why does it say 2? That should have been 3, but it only says 2. 2 carbs, I guess. And then I did have a snack while I was waiting to cook that. I cooked that in the Instapot, and I had 2 servings of pork rinds, the hot and spicy, with 2 tablespoons of sour cream. I'm telling you, it's been a weird day. Either or, I stayed completely within everything. I stayed under on my carbs. I was at 17 out of 21 carbs. I was at 114 out of 135 fat. I was at 112 out of 97 protein, and I was at 1595 out of 1692 in carbs. So overall in depth, I was at 4% carbs, 67% fat, and 29% protein. Not a bad day. Just feel like I kind of just did it weirdly. I didn't feel good about the way I did it. I would like to feel good about how I'm spending my foods, and I just I fought with myself this morning about eating that bar and eating that sandwich. I wasn't hungry. I just wanted it. And for me, that's an issue. For me, somebody who eats out of stress and boredom and this and that, that was an issue for me. So, again, I don't know if it has something to do with that time of the month coming. That time of the month coming. If it has something to do with my injury or what. But I'm ready to get back on track. I'm ready for tomorrow. It's a new day. I'm ready to kick tomorrow's butt. I probably will try fasting tomorrow. And I'll see you back tomorrow with another nightly macros. And hope you guys enjoy tomorrow's video. Don't mind my kids. I need to go put them to bed. But yeah, I'll see you guys later and make good decisions. Bye guys.